Here is a very important test question in which you're going to understand the laws of logarithms and also how do we check for the domain and extraneous roots. Enjoy the journey of learning. Thank you. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll take up solution of two questions. Both are for natural log equations. We'll apply the properties of natural log to solve these. In case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top. We can be part of your success. Let us now see how do we solve these equations. Question number 1 here is ln of ln x is equal to 1. Now this is slightly complicated. We have nested ln. How do we solve this? Well, if I take e to the power of something on both the sides, then what do I get? I get ln x equals to e to the power of 1, means just e. You get the idea. So we took e on both the sides, exponents. Now again we'll repeat the same operation. That is to say, we'll do e to the power of ln x, and this will be e to the power of e. You get the idea. So here we get the solution x equals to e to the power of e. Extremely interesting question with very good result. X equals to e to the power of e. I hope it makes sense, right? So I hope you have understood the concept, and now let's begin with the solution of the second equation, where we will further look into the rules or laws of logarithms. The second question here is ln x square minus 3 equals to ln x plus ln 2. So the right hand side, we can combine the two, right? So we have on the left ln x square minus 3, and on the right, we can write this as ln product of x and 2, which is 2x. Now, for this equation to be true, x square minus 3 should be equal to 2x, correct? So that becomes a quadratic equation. We could rewrite this as x square minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. We can factor, right? So 3 and 1 is the product, and so we could do minus 3, x minus 3, and x plus 1. That will be the factor. So this gives you two solutions. Perfect. One is x equals to 3, equating them to 0. The other one is x equals to minus 1. Now clearly, as you can see here, x equals to minus 1 doesn't work, right? Because what really happens here is we know that x, now you should find the domain here, right? One is x has to be greater than 0 because of this. And here we have x squared minus 3, right? So x squared minus 3 is a graph which will be kind of like this. Perfect. And these intercepts will be at plus and minus square root 3, correct? So can you tell me what should be the domain of this function? Well, it should be greater than square root 3. Perfect? You get the idea. So that is the domain. And from here, we can very clearly see that we do have a redundant solution, which is x equals to minus 1. And therefore, the only valid answer is x equals to 3. Do you get the idea? So we have learned quite a few things in this particular example. One, how do we use the logarithmic rule? Second, how do we check for extraneous rule, right? Now, you can always substitute 3 and then also see that it really works, right? So let's check in next page how either whether this is right or wrong, correct? So now let's check the solution. If x equals to 3 is the solution indeed, right? So on the left side we have ln x square minus 3, so which is equals to ln 3 square minus 3, or ln 9 minus 3 is 6, right? On the right hand side we have ln x plus ln 2, which is ln 3 plus ln 2, right? Which is ln 3 times 2, correct? Which is also ln 6, right? So do you see, we have both left side equals to right side for x equals to 3. Makes sense. That is why we can say that x equals to 3 is the solution of our second equation. I hope the concept is absolutely clear. We have many such videos in our playlist. Please feel free to understand these concepts from the videos. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. And if you want to learn directly from me, send an email to globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Have a great day. Thank you.